Hey guys, it's Sydney, and I am one of the James T. Davis interior designers. Today, we're going to talk about how to choose the right primer for your next paint project. Primer is one of the best tools in a painter's toolkit. It sticks to whatever you're prepping, and it creates a smooth, uniform surface that's ready for paint. So there are 4 go-to primers that we recommend. From stain blocking and sealing primers to drywall and metal primers, it's important to choose the right product for your surface. If you're painting a surface that is stained heavily or has severe odors from fire or cigarette smoke, start with a stain blocking primer. When painting and priming wood surfaces, you'll want to choose an oil-based primer and sealer. For new drywall, you want to seal your surface with a flat drywall primer. This prevents the surface from over-absorbing fresh paint. For metal surfaces, with the exception of galvanized metals, choose a rust preventative metal primer. And that's it, you're ready to begin your paint project. If you have any questions about the right paint or materials for your next project, just stop by and see us.